Number 6, I mentioned here, sign up for the math online courses on Bright Young Brains. If you have like certain resources available to you, right, don't the least you can do is to just take advantage. Like for example, this YouTube channel is 100% free. There are tutorials, yada yada yada. On the course platform, like right now, as of this recording, I think the all access pass, like the normal fee as of this recording, the normal fee is like $7.99 per month. However, as of this recording, there's like a temporary mini sale type of thing where it's like $99. So you can sign up for that. It's like from $7.99 to $99. That's like 700 and cut off. Now the main idea with signing up for the online courses is that if you sign up today and you only want to be signed up for like only 1 month, then all you do is you sign up today and you cancel your subscription the same day. You will still just have access for like the whole 30 days. If you want to like just pay once without like doing it on the website with the card or whatever, on the website the EFT details are there as well. So all that is sorted.